Disaster recovery on the cloud, ensuring business continuity. Disaster recovery on the cloud, ensuring business continuity. In this fast-paced and interconnected world, businesses heavily rely on information technology to run their operations. From customer relationship management to billing and payment processing, almost all business functions involve digital data. In such a scenario, any unplanned downtime or data loss can wreak havoc on business operations and revenue. Disasters can come in various forms: natural disasters like hurricanes, earthquakes, and floods, cyber attacks, power outages, equipment failure, and human error, to name a few. These disasters can severely impact critical business applications, leading to a loss of data, downtime, and potential reputational damage. Traditional disaster recovery methods that involve backup tapes and on-premises servers have proven to be inadequate in addressing such contingencies. Cloud-based disaster recovery, Doctor, offers a solution. Tie into the problem of business continuity in the event of disasters. In this article, we will explore the benefits of cloud-based drive, how it works, and some best practices for implementing it. What is cloud-based disaster recovery? Cloud-based disaster recovery is a solution that allows organizations to recover their business functionality and data in the event of a disaster or an outage. As against traditional solutions, cloud-based Doctor involves replicating and storing critical business data and applications in remote data centers managed by cloud service providers, CSPs. CSPs use virtualization technology to create replicas of the on-premises infrastructure, including servers, storage, applications, and networks. These replicas, called virtual machines, VMS, are configured to respond to a disaster or outage by spinning up automatically and taking over operations. Cloud-based Doctor services can offer RTO, recovery time objective, and RPO, recovery point objective, that traditional solutions cannot match. RTO refers to the time it takes to resume normal operations after a disruption, while RPO refers to the amount of data that can be lost without significant impact to the business. Cloud-based Doctor offers many benefits over the traditional disaster recovery solutions. Benefits of cloud-based Doctor. 1. In contrast, CSPs offer pay-as-you-use pricing models that reduce upfront costs and offer a more affordable means of maintaining Doctor capability. 2. Scalability. Traditional Doctor solutions rely on hardware and physical storage that require manual configuration and maintenance. Cloud-based Doctor solutions offer virtualized environments that are more scalable and elastic, allowing rapid scaling up and down as required. 3. Improved RTO and RPO. Cloud-based Doctor solutions offer faster RTO and repos than traditional solutions, ensuring minimal disruption to business operations in the event of a disaster. This is due to Cloud's ability to spin up virtual machines quickly and the ability to replicate data quickly. 4. Geographic coverage. Cloud-based Doctor solutions offer geographic coverage, which traditional solutions may find challenging to provide. CSPs replicate data at various locations, allowing organizations to maintain Doctor capability beyond their geographical boundaries. 5. Automated failover. Cloud-based Doctor solutions offer automatic failover, eliminating the need for manual intervention and ensuring that the organization can resume operations quickly. Implementing cloud-based Doctor, best practices. Implementing cloud-based disaster recovery requires planning, Testing and execution. Here are some best practices to ensure a successful implementation. 1. Risk assessment. Implementing cloud-based Doctor requires an understanding of your organization's critical business applications and data and assessing the risks associated with loss or downtime. Identify the most critical applications and data, and classify them based on their importance to the organization. 2. Identify the right provider. Not all cloud providers offer Doctor services, and the ones that offer Doctor may come with different features and pricing. Identify the right provider that can offer Doctor Select.